Hello guys, this is Biscuit from the Breakfast Corps along with Pancake in the background, and this is our 6th episode of Spore that I've played, and they will roughly be up around the same time. So let's learn Charge. Look at that monstrous eyeball on the babies. Oh my god, that's horrific. Go watch us grow up and become a very manly man.
Look at me.
Let's go kill some stuff. We're gonna be evil Cyclopses. Okay, yours is creepy, Pancake. Oh, are these peaceful little guys, huh? Oh, come crash a boat. Crash a boat. They have like 16 different eyeballs on them. Okay, I'm a charge them fools. Roar. Roar. I'ma kill your families.
Macho Man, Renaissance. I don't go around no species. I go through that species. On. You wanna be a jerk to me? I hate you. I hate you. You gonna be a jerk to me? I'll destroy your species.
I just destroyed them. I destroyed their entire species. Roar. Our Cyclops is growing every waking moment. Oh, we have 52 now. That's a lot.
You wanna be a jerk to me? I'll pound your face right off.
Is there any more that's really close to our house, so if we need to, we can run back to the house? Yep, looks like there's one right on the riverbank. You just wait, guys, till I get a pack. We'll gangbang these guys with freaking Cyclopses. Once your brain grows, you get a pack.
Oh, I've got a pack of 1.
Oh.
But it's all gray.
You gotta add someone to it by impressing them.
I did impress someone. I've got allies. If there's someone below it, does that mean I have one? But then I do have a pack. If it's gray, does that mean I can't get any more? Well, hold on.
They're migrating.
We just have. Pee! Pee like you've never peed before. This is our land.
We're going on a rampage, guys.
I just got a bigger brain. I can do science!
We're just like demolishing everyone.
There's still a big line. What's that for?
What?
That.
That's your progress. Oh, that line? That's your trail that you need to go to your new house. Where's the metros? Or whatever they're called. Let's go look for them. Here, little metro, metro, metro. Here, little metro, metro. Well, once we send off their thing, I think we'll end it there. And, well, once we, like, end their lives, I think we're gonna end it there. And, stop recording for this night because I'm getting kind of tired and I don't want to record. Okay, where is that last guy? Might have to walk away for a second. There's our camp. Oh, there he is. Sneaky little guy.
Yo, tweeters. Wanna know something? Charge! Stay behind the alpha. He's about to get pwned.
Well, I just killed their entire thing. So, I guess we're gonna end it off there. This has been Biscuit and Pancake in the Pancake in the background. Pancake.
Pancake.
Pancake. Pancake. Goodbye, Pancake.
Goodbye. What?